In this video, we are going to see that if you have installed a new Windows and you want to switch from Microsoft Edge to Chrome browser, or you just want to install the Chrome browser as a second browser, here's what you can do. Just open up Microsoft Edge and just go to google.com directly. And here write Google Chrome, download for PC. And here is the link. Just go in here, click on download Chrome. And it will say thanks for downloading, and it will download some file. If not, just click on download Chrome manually. And as you can see, it has downloaded something. It's a Chrome setup. It's only of 10.4 MB, but it will install over the internet. So let's run the setup. Click yes. If it asks for Windows to allow it, let's allow this. It's connecting to the internet, and depending on your internet speed, it might take you some time. So just sit back and relax while it does that. If you get some error like I did, I just ignored that, and still it's downloading, so no problem about that. And once it is installed, you will get this sign in screen, which you can skip if you don't want to sign in for now. Just click on don't sign in, or let's click on sign in, or you can also click on sign in and just sign in with your regular Google account. You can set this as default as well. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can get the newer version of Chrome in your freshly installed Windows. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.